In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can make it to where a filled map chart will only show the geographies with data in it. So here we have the population of a handful of states in a graph of the United States in Microsoft Excel. But they don't stand out very much because all the states are showing. To make it to where only the states with data will show, I want to first right click on the graph. Then from here, I want to click on Format Data Series. Now I want to go to the 3-bar icon on the right, where I can then adjust the map area. The default is automatic, so whatever Excel thinks based on your data, but you can now click on only regions with data. And you can see now it only shows the states with population data in Excel. I can also have it show just country region, which is what the automatic was to, multiple countries regions, which is not necessarily relevant for this, but as you can see, it shows the whole North America. Okay, you have it show the world if you want to, which makes it look pretty small and yeah. But in this example, I want to click on only regions with data. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.